we have B9 Lite Mini not charging. I'm going to put the device on charger so you can see the device is not charging. We have something wrong with the charging port, and you are going to open the device to replace the charging port. To open this device, there is no screws. You just need to remove the SIM card tray. Then you can push the metal frame out from the housing. The fingerprint of this device is back to the motherboard, so when you remove the metal, it won't come with this metal. It will stuck on the board. So you can remove the metal without any cautions. But no need to do any force, remove it easily. First thing, we are going to remove the battery bracket and then unplug the battery. Next, we need to remove the loudspeaker to reach the charging board. You can do the job very fast. You can just replace the charging board itself. No need to replace the charging port, or you can replace the charging port itself. It's two jobs. You can choose the one you want and the one it's easy for you. The easiest is replacing the whole charging motherboard. But I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the charging port. Remove flex cable connected from the mainboard to the charging board. Then we can remove the antenna wire. After that, we can just pull up the charging port out. You see, it's a small motherboard charging board. You can just replace this and put the device and assemble back, and the problem will be solved. If you are looking for a less cost money, you can replace the charging port. Now bring the new charging port, solder the pins, put flux soldering paste on the charging port. Now bring heat gun with soldering iron. This will make the job easier for you to remove the charging port fast. I'm always using this method to remove the charging port using the soldering iron with heat gun. Now if you see the pins not correctly, you can put some soldering and then put the new charging port. I'm seeing all is good, so I'm going to proceed and put the charging port while the motherboard is on heat. Sometimes we need first to clean, then put some soldering, so you can decide which thing to do first. Once done, let the board cool for 5 minutes, then assemble and test. Clean the charging port with alcohol using brush. Put this piece back. We need to put all the pieces that we removed. No need to remove anything. Put the flux cable back and then the antenna back. After that, we can put the loudspeaker and assemble. You can test before putting the screws. It's better if there is some problem. Okay, charger on, wait few seconds. There is light. After the light, we should see a sign. The sign is here. So our problem has been resolved. It may need a few minutes to start charging from 0 to 100. Now we can assemble the phone, and that's it. Our job has been done. Put back all screws, then we can put the metal frame. Remove the charger and then put the metal frame, and then put the charger on to let the device charging. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and like. We'll see you in the next video. See ya. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.